Hello everyone, this is Zach from RHBBANK. So this short video here, I would like to share with you two stocks based on weekly chart that actually come with a nice green Pentagon, and it comes with some sort of sound strength as well. So probably we're going to look into daily chart and weekly chart, and let's see what is the potential signals and sound strength in the both chart at the moment. Of course, we're going to use RHBBANK 360 as well to check what is the main support resistance, okay, for these two counters, and what is the ranking in the particular sector industry. So first is we're going to look into OWG. So if I switch to weekly chart in this trading view here, you will notice that they actually come with a green Pentagon. This is back to 3 weeks ago, and currently this week it actually formed a very nice spring. So again, we know that this week actually is kind of like a weak market, and I think a spring over here is a good sign, indicating that there's a shakeout happening in this chart. So if you look into left hand side as well, we do have one spring previously holding well, right exactly just below slightly on the 40 MA, and we got the NS signals as well. So if you look into this VSA 360 over here, if we go into OWG, okay, on your bar, so we will notice that this is the current ranking, okay, based on the new features. Okay, so actually the ranking is not that great overall. So if you notice over here is 167 out of 212 consumer product and services, and if let's say under travel, leisure and leisure, right, it actually ranked 20, okay, out of 29. Okay, so if let's say if you look into the Pentagon flow wise, okay, currently still in red Pentagon. This is again based on short term on daily, but because due to we are looking into this weekly right now, so probably for weekly chart, for those that are looking into weekly chart, you might expect you want to hold slightly a bit longer before the big breakout. So the next thing is I want to look into the support and resistance. So here actually you actually share with you what is the main support resistance with the ATL support as well. So if you look into S1, is actually very close, and actually it's the same price, okay, with ATL stop loss over here, which is 48. So if I put my lines over here, 48, okay, this is your potential supports, okay, and your ATL stop loss as well. So from here you actually can calculate where is your ideal entry and your preferred stop loss as well too. So if you look into daily chart, yes, I think it actually makes sense because it actually comes with some certain support, okay, with a small spring and a LC line change previously too. So the other counters that probably would like to share with you is RHB Bank. Okay, if let's say we go back to weekly charts, so we have spring as well for this week. So I think mostly for those that who are having a good setup counters, this week should be a springboard, because this week is a week that showing some sort of weakness, and in the same time they're actually trying to remove further sellers, okay, in the market. So if you look closely over here, RHB actually come with green Pentagon. Okay, we got NS signals, and this week's spring market stages also remain to be green after some nice pullback happening in the background. So again, using this BSC 360, we want to check what is the ranking among the sector industry. So 6 out of 33 for financial services, actually it's not that bad, and 2 out of 10 in the banking. So I think this is pretty good, okay, for the bank sectors overall. So let's see how it goes. If let's say I look into daily chart, looks like they just completed another round of shakeout. Okay, over here, this is like a first one, second one. Okay, we do have red in the market stages, but it's only two bar. Now turning back to green. Okay, today volume should be low. Okay, hopefully, and if let's say it show low volume over here, it it's telling you that probably they are building another round of support. Okay, just like similar like here as well. Okay, so do remember this video here is just to share with you how we use trade VSA and VSA to help us out to give a more edge in the market. Definitely there's no buy or sell call over here. If you want to do any trades, make sure you follow your own trading plan. Okay, for those who have access to VSA 360, you might want to check out the support resistance as well.